In this video, we are going to study about anatomy of middle ear. Middle ear is divided into mesotympanum, the part lying opposite to the pars tensa, epitympanum or attic, the part lying above the pars tensa but medial to pars flaccida, and bony lateral attic wall. Hypotympanum, the part lying below the level of pars tensa, and protympanum. It is a portion of middle ear around the tympanic orifice of eustachian tube. Middle ear is like a six-sided box with a roof, a floor, medial wall, lateral wall, anterior wall, and posterior wall. Roof of the middle ear, it is formed by a thin plate of bone known as tegmen tympani. It separates tympanic cavity from the middle cranial fossa. Floor of middle ear, it is also formed by a thin plate of bone. It separates tympanic cavity from jugular bulb. Sometimes the floor of middle ear is congenitally deficient, then the jugular bulb may project into middle ear, separated only by the mucosa. Anterior wall of middle ear is also formed by a thin plate of bone. It separates the cavity from internal carotid artery. It has two openings, lower one for eustachian tube and upper one for canal for tensor tympani muscle. Posterior wall of middle ear, it lies close to the mastoid ear cells. Bony projection known as pyramid. Through the summit of pyramid appears the tendon of stapedius and get its attachment to the neck of stapes. Aretus, it is present above the pyramid, and facial nerve runs in the posterior wall behind the pyramid. Facial recess or posterior sinus, it is a depression in the posterior wall lateral to the pyramid, and the facial recess is bounded medially by the vertical part of facial nerve, laterally by the chorda tympani, and above by the fossa incudis. It is surgically important as direct access can be made through this into middle ear without disturbing posterior canal wall, that is canal wall intact procedures. Medial wall of middle ear, it is formed by the labyrinth. A bulge called promontory is present in the medial wall due to basal coil of cochlea. Oval window is present in the medial wall into which stapes footplate is fixed. Round window or fenestra cochleae, which is covered by secondary tympanic membrane. Canal for facial nerve is present above the oval window. Bony covering of this canal may sometimes be congenitally dehiscent and nerve is exposed, making it vulnerable to injuries or infection. Above the facial nerve, there is prominence of lateral semicircular canal. Anterior to the oval window, there is hook-like projection called the processus cochleiformis, around which the tendon of tensor tympani muscle takes a turn and attaches to the neck of malleus. Cochleiformis process marks the level of first genu of facial nerve. Lateral wall of middle ear is formed mainly by the tympanic membrane but to a lesser extent by scutum, that is bony outer attic wall. Tympanic membrane forms a window to middle ear. It is possible to see some structures of middle ear through the normal tympanic membrane like the long process of incus, incudostapedial joint and the round window. Thank you.